Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some important question in national income and related aggregate. First question, what is meant by the normal resident of a country? Normal resident are those residents who ordinarily reside in a country and concerned whose center of economic interest lies in that country. Now second question, what is meant by the domestic territory of a country? Domestic territory of a country refer to economic of country in which the economic activities of the country generated its domestic income. Now next question, what is the factor income? Factor income is income received by the owner of the factor of production in the form of a rent, wages, interest, profit for the service rendered in the production process. Now next question, define the domestic factor income. Domestic factor income generated in domestic territory of the country by the enterprises during 1 year. Now next question, what are the transfer payment or transfer expenditure? Transfer payment or transfer expenditure are those unilateral payment and corresponding to which there is no value addition in the economy. Next, define voluntary transfer. Voluntary transfer are those transfers which flow or account are free with of the payable and the receipt. Next, define the forced transfer. Forced transfer are compulsory payment like income tax. Now question number 8, define the current transfer. Current transfer are those transfers which are paid from the current income of the pay and added to the current income of the receipt of the consumption expenditure. Question number 9, what are the capital transfer? Capital transfer are transfer made out of wealth or saving of a pay and included in the wealth or saving of the recipient. Question number 12, what are the capital transfer from abroad? Capital transfer from abroad are those transfers which are paid by the rest of the world for the purpose of gross capital formation or long-term expenditure. Now question number 11th, define the GDP at market price. GDP at market price to the market value of final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of the country within a 1 year, inclusions of depreciation. Now question number 12, define NDP at market price. NDP at market price refer to market value of final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of the country within 1 year, exclusive of depreciation. Now question number 13, define the GDP at factor cost or gross domestic income. GDP at factor cost or gross domestic income is the sum total of consumptions of employee or operating surplus, mixed income or consumption of fixed capital within a domestic territory of a country during the period of 1 year. Question number 14, define the NDP at factor cost or net domestic income. NDP at factor cost or net domestic income refer to the sum total of a factor income from rent plus interest plus profit plus wages generated within a domestic territory of a country during a year. Now next question, define the GNP at market price. GNP at market price refer to market value of final goods and services produced during the year along with net factor income from abroad and consumption of fixed capital. Define NNP at market price. NNP at market price refer to market value of final goods and services produced during the year, inclusive of net factor income from abroad and exclusive of depreciation. Next, define GNP at factor cost. GNP at factor cost refer to the sum total of factor income, rent, interest, profit, wages earned by normal resident of a country during the year along with consumption of the fixed capital. Next, define NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost refer to in the market value of final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of a country during the period of accounting year, exclusion of net factor income from abroad, exclusion of depreciation estimated at factor cost.